Hey guys, we are back again. Hi Dr. Adarsh. As I have told you that we generally can 95% of the times we do full face transformations. There is hardly ever a patient who just comes in for like one thing or maybe one filler. So today again, now this we were live with this patient before for the threads, and right now Dr. Adarsh is doing her lip fillers. As usual, he is doing his favorite Restylane Kais. Anything you want to say to the audience, Dr. Adarsh, about the fillers?
Yeah, fillers can make complete transformation in your face. I mean, a lot of my patients are watching my before and after pics, and they are saying both the people are different in before and after. So guys, this is the power of fillers and power of these threads. So that can make people completely change. So people are not able to recognize whether they are same or different. So fillers are totally safe. And
yeah, so basically I am going to address this issue. So of lately we've been getting a lot of comments on a lot of before after pictures which are specifically for fillers, that these are before and after of two different people. So I think you guys have no idea what drastic change, I'm not talking about one syringe, but all those people have done about 8 to 9 syringes of filler and threads, and how drastic difference can it make. If not, please go back and look at Kim Kardashian's old pictures, Kylie's old pictures. You can also drop in and we will be happy to show you those patients' old pictures also. Okay, so appreciate the good work. If you have any doubt, we always share full videos. That's the reason we share the full videos with you, so that you know that how the procedure is, how comfortable it is, and what it looks like. So how long does this lip filler last, Dr. Adarsh?
basically it depends upon the quality of the filler which we are using. In general, a good quality filler can last for 12 months in the lip area, because the lip area is movable and the movements are very much frequent. So the longevity of filler or any kind of product which you are using in perioral area will be less in comparison to other areas. But if you are talking about the same quality filler in nose area, it will last for 2 years at least. In chin area or jawline area, it will last for 1.5 years.
So Dr. Adarsh, one more thing, like you have been sticking on with Restylane. You've been doing Restylane since a long time now. But what do you have to say about these cheap fillers which are out there in the market and which almost everybody is doing nowadays? All the patients are getting it done. What are the drawbacks of those fillers?
First of all, I want to say about those fillers are not safe for all patients. I mean, the quality check with those kind of hyaluronic acids are not that up to the mark.
Because guys, you should understand, like, your doctor is not getting a bill for those Chinese fillers. They are picking it up from the grey market, I'm right? Even if I talk about Redesi, or people ask us about fat dissolving injections like Kybella, it's not available in India. So if somebody is doing it, that means they are buying it off the grey market, and you can never be sure whether the product is genuine or not. Also, secondly, obviously guys, cheap filler is not good filler. Cheap fillers don't last. You can talk to the people who've gotten it done. I think it doesn't last for more than 2 to 3 months. Am I right, Dr. Adarsh? So in 2 to 3 months, everything.
In cases not even to.
So we have seen patients who've gotten fillers done 15 days back, and they've come to our clinic and it was nothing. So it's not that the doctor didn't do the filler, he did the filler that you paid for, guys. Here the doctor is not the culprit. You are the culprit because you're roaming around bargaining, searching for cheap things in the market. So the doctor has no other, way. So he is, buying cheap fillers, but they are cheap, If somebody in the market is for 30,000, 40,000 and you're getting it done for 15, obviously there's going to be a drastic difference in the quality of the product. So don't blame your doctor for it. You are equally to be blamed. So always go for good quality fillers, and if you plan to come to Saryu, we have a good EMI options for you, and we don't compromise with the quality even if we have to lose our patient. So we don't work like that the patient shouldn't go away. It's all about quality for us first, right? Anything else? So what all are you going to do after this, Dr. Adarsh?
After these lip fillers, I'm going for her prominent chin, chisel, sharp contouring to make her jawline more prominent. What we have already achieved from the cock threads on both cheeks.
You can see, I showed you the instant results.
So there was a big prominent jowl in this area that is completely gone immediately.
Yeah.
And with the time, it will improvise.
Yeah. And what else have you planned for this patient? After this, like after today, what all can we do?
I plan for under eye fillers, but I will personally prescribe patients for lower eyelid blepharoplasty and some amount of cheek fillers, and for melasma, the depigmentation treatment. And after these all treatments, you will be able to see your better version.
Yeah, so guys, if any of you want to ask any questions, you can, but we will be going live with a question and answer round probably, in the coming week again, like we did last week with Bhavya on fillers. So this time it's going to be some other celebrity, and it's going to be some other topic. So stay tuned, and shall we log out now?
Yeah.
Okay guys, see you, bye bye.